Is it okay to employ a fish finder when you go fishing in the ocean? Yeah, it is, right? It's a way to find out where the fish are. Likewise, is it okay to employ a finder to help you find qualified investors? And if so, is it okay to pay that finder some kind of a commission based on the amount of money closed? The answer is, it depends. If that person is in the United States or approaching US investors, and that person is not registered with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the answer is no, it's not allowed. That is the law. Now, some people think it's a gray area. In the US, it's really not. Now, outside the US, it is allowed. In many countries, it is allowed. Why? Well, you can employ somebody to help you find a deal and pay them a sales commission. What's wrong with that? So the answer is, it depends, and it depends on whether you're approaching investors in a certain jurisdiction. So again, you want to consult with a qualified, competent securities lawyer who can advise on what the law is in the jurisdiction of the prospective investor. I know that sounds complicated, but it's important, because if you get this wrong, the consequences, at least in the US, can be grave. What do I mean by that? Well, you can blow the exemption from registration under federal law and state law, and you can result in what is effectively a rescission right, which means that the investor gets the right, based on this unregistered finder thing, to get their money back plus interest. It's kind of a bad deal, especially if the deal ends up going sideways. There's other issues like, do you have to enforce that contract given that technically the contract is illegal? That's another issue. And the answer is probably not. So it's a complicated question, but it's one that frequently pops up, particularly by companies that are having trouble sourcing qualified investors. So make sure you consult with somebody who knows what they're talking about and is qualified to advise.